Hello everyone, I am Dr. Satish Pangal. By the end of this tutorial, you will exactly know the theoretical concept of coordinate systems. A coordinate system is a reference framework that allows us to identify the exact location of any feature on the Earth surface. Imagine that someone asks you, where is Maina village located? Your answer will be, it is near Rohtak. The answer is only approximate. However, if you provide its latitude and longitude, anyone using GPS or GIS software can locate it more precisely. A coordinate system provides precise location of geographic features, latitude and longitude. The concept of latitude measures how far a place is north or south of the equator. The equator, we know, is an imaginary line located at 0 degree latitude and divide the Earth's surface into two equal hemispheres known as northern and southern hemispheres. Characteristics of latitudes. Latitudes runs east to west around the Earth. Latitude measures north and south position. Values of latitude range from 0 to 90 degree north and 0 to 90 degree south. Lines of latitude are also called parallels because they never intersect each other. The longitude. Longitude measures how far a place is east or west of the prime meridian. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich, England, and is assigned a value of 0 degree longitude. Some characteristics of longitudes are: longitudes run from North Pole to South Pole. Longitude measures east and west position. The values of longitude range from 0 degree to 180 degree east and 0 to 180 degree west. The lines of longitude are called meridians and meet at the both poles. Geographic Coordinate System. A geographic coordinate system is a framework that uses latitude and longitude to locate positions on the Earth's surface. Geographic coordinate system assumes that the Earth is represented by a mathematical model. Keep in mind, and the model is known as ellipsoid. Components of geographic coordinate system are latitude, longitude, datum, angular unit. We measure angular unit in degrees. The characteristics of geographic coordinate systems are: coordinates are expressed in degrees. Geographic coordinate system is suitable for global data sets, and it is commonly used by GPS devices and online mapping platforms. Advantages of geographic coordinate system. Why we use geographic coordinate system? Why we prefer geographic coordinate system? Geographic coordinate system represent global locations consistently. It is ideal for worldwide data sets. There are some limitations also. The limitations of geographic coordinate systems are: using geographic coordinate system, distances and area are difficult to measure accurately because degrees are angular units rather than linear units. A projected coordinate system converts latitude and longitude into x and y coordinates, usually measured in meter or feet. Projecting the curved Earth onto a flat map introduces some distortion. A projected coordinate system applies a mathematical transformation so that locations can be represented on a flat surface using linear units. The characteristics of projected coordinate systems are: in projected coordinate system, coordinates are expressed in linear units. It is a better suited for measuring distance, area, and direction. Projected coordinate system is essential for engineering, surveying, and detailed GIS analysis. The advantages are: Its measurement of distance and area within the intended region is accurate. It is easier to perform buffering, overlay analysis, and network analysis. Limitations of projected coordinate systems are: every projection introduces some distortion. The different projections are designed to minimize distortion for specific reason or purpose. Difference between geographic coordinate system and projected coordinate system. Geographic coordinate system uses degree as coordinate unit, while projected coordinate system uses meter or feet as a coordinate unit. Coordinate values in geographic coordinate systems are latitude and longitude, while projected coordinate system value are x and y. Geographic coordinate system is based on ellipsoid Earth model. On the other hand, projected coordinate system is based on flat projection of Earth. The best use of geographic coordinate system is for global positioning. However, projected coordinate system best use is local and regional mapping. Distance measurement in geographic coordinate system is less suitable. On the other hand, it is highly suitable for projected coordinate system. In the same manner, area measurement in case of geographic coordinate system is less suitable. On the other hand, it is highly suitable for projected coordinate system. Example of geographic coordinate system is WGS 1984. On the other hand, projected coordinate system example is UTM. Datum. The concept of datum. A datum is a mathematical reference framework that defines the size, shape, and position of the Earth used by a coordinate system. A datum provides the reference model that allows coordinates to be calculated consistently. Why is a datum important? The question arises. Imagine two maps of the same city created using different datums. Even though both maps show the same roads and buildings, the coordinates may differ slightly. If these data sets are combined without transformation, features may not align correctly. That's why selecting the correct datum is essential in GIS. Types of datums. Global datums. It covers the entire Earth. Example of global datum is WGS 1984. Local datums. Local datums are optimized for a specific country or a region. Local datums generally provide higher local accuracy but are not intended for global use. Map projection. A map projection is the mathematical process of converting the Earth's curved surface into a flat map. Since a sphere cannot be flattened without stretching or compressing parts of its surface, every projection introduces some form of distortion. The distortion may be occur in shape, area, distance, and direction. No single projection can preserve all four properties simultaneously. The choice of projection depends upon the purpose of the map. Common projections are cylindrical projections, conic projection, azimuthal projections. Different GIS applications choose projections that best preserve the properties most important for the task. Now, the concept of UTM projection. UTM stands for Universal Transverse Mercator. It is a system which is most widely used projected coordinate system in GIS. UTM projection reduces distortion. The Earth is divided into 60 longitudinal zones. Each zone has its own projected coordinate system. Some characteristics of UTM are: coordinates are measured in meter under UTM projection. UTM projection provides high potential accuracy within each zone, ideal for mapping, surveying, engineering, and local to regional GIS projects. Advantages: UTM projection measure accurate distance and area calculations. UTM projection reduces distortion within each zone. It is widely supported by GIS software. Example of UTM projection: India spans several UTM zones, including zones 42 north to 47 north, depending on the location. Choosing the correct UTM zone ensure more accurate mapping and analysis. Haryana lies in UTM zone number 43 North Datum, WGS 1984, EPSG code 32643. You can see the example. I have taken the example of India with its UTM zones. The UTM zones in India start from 42 north and goes to 47 north. The concept of WGS 1984. WGS 1984 stands for World Geodetic System, and it was introduced in 1984. It is the most widely used global geodetic datum and formed the foundation for GPS. Location on a smartphone, use a GPS receiver or navigate with online mapping services. The coordinates are typically referenced to WGS 1984. Some characteristics of WGS 1984 are: WGS 1984 is a global datum. It is used by GPS and most web mapping applications. WGS 1984 supports worldwide positioning. It provides a common reference framework for international datasets. Why WGS 1984 is important? Because it is recognized globally. WGS 1984 enables data collected in different countries and by different organizations to be shared and integrated more easily. Thank you. Have a nice day.